iPhone charger 7 feet long lightning cable for charging with USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone 13, 12, 11, XR, XS, X, 8, 7, 6, 5, SE. Also works great as for Apple iPad charger for Air, Pro or iPad mini. Flat cable style. Designed for tangle-free charging, the flat smooth cable can be wrapped away and stored when not in use, created so charging is less of a hassle with the modern, durable style. Long iPhone charger. Our 7 feet heavy-duty iPhone charger cord has a long length for conveniently charging in multiple locations to reach outlets and adapters. The lightweight cord can be used in your home office or on the go. Lightning compatible. For Apple iPhone 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 mini, 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by, 8 8 Plus, 7 7 S, 6S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6, iPad, AirPods, Watch. About us, TalkWorks offers tech accessories that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Our products include phone charging accessories, gaming accessories, charging cables, power banks, and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Nice color options, works well. This review is for TalkWorks flat lightning charging cable. This cable is fairly long at 7 foot. It does exactly what it says, lightning charges my iPhone. The mint color is very pleasant. The cord feels like it is made of durable materials. Given the very fair pricing along with quality construction, I would recommend the TalkWorks flat lightning charging cable.